Yo, what up, YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the below my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so right now I got another video for you guys for your Lenovo Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme or Z2. This is basically a BIOS update. There's a new BIOS update that's been dropped on the website. I've been checking this for a while because I was trying to get this thing fixed with these RGBs and noticed that there was an update for it. You can't do the BIOS update by the Legion space for some reason. It's just not pick it up. You have to actually go to the website. So basically right here, if you go right here and basically pick it up, you're able to get the drivers right here for the BIOS update, which is it's RRCN13WW. The previous one was, I think it was RRCN12, I believe. I think that was the previous one. I'm not completely sure. But yeah, one thing you gotta do is if you want to get to this, just hit this right here. Just type in Legion Go 2 drivers. Hit that. Go to the first one right here. Click on that. There you go. Go to BIOS. Download this one right here, which is this right here. You don't want to do the text, just do that one. I already got it downloaded on mine. So I'm just going to minimize this. Bring this up. I have this in my download folder right here. Click on this. And we're going to do I think this is an extraction file. Double click. 7-zip, yes. It's right here. So I got mine's already plugged in. I'm not going to touch it because my cord just shorts out sometimes. This is the cord for my actual dock. So I'm going to let this do its thing right now. I'm going to click next, next, next. And I'm just going to leave it. Let you guys pay attention to this video. Try to get this thing focused completely on here for you guys. So you guys can see it. Pull it back out for you guys right there. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to move basically away from my table so my cord don't accidentally unpower itself, whatever. And we're going to see basically what it fixed. I don't know if it's going to fix it, but I kind of like keeping my devices up to date with BIOS. So I'm just leave it the way how it is. And yeah, just going to leave it as is. I may speed this part up. I'm not sure. I might edit the video and just speed this part completely up right here. But yeah, I'm going to stay quiet and let it do its thing. Okay, there we go, guys. It's done right there. I'm just gonna let it sit for a second before I actually turn this thing on. Okay. Let's exit out of this. Windows. Okay. So we did the BIOS update for it right there. And I noticed that it actually changed my behavior for this because I normally had this. I changed the behavior to have the dock always on. So I noticed that changed up some of the settings. Because basically what happened is when I would swipe up or whatever like that, when I had my double screen on, dual monitors, I would notice that it would just go directly like this. So I want to check and see something real quick. So let's exit out of this. Okay, that pops up. It looked like it fixed the problem with this because basically whenever I ran on Lively Wallpapers, it would crash. So it looked like it fixed some of the problems with some of the drivers. What I want to do is go into Legion space real quick. Look like that the dock is behaving like it's supposed to. So look like it fixed that. Okay, let's see if there's any updates that we need to look at real quick. So let's go to drivers. Let's hit this. So any updates, see if there's anything. Most likely there might be an update with Windows due towards the new BIOS, so I'm expecting something to pop up. But let's see if anything pops up with this. You should see the new BIOS coming up. Okay, we're on a new version right here. Let's back out. Let's go towards Windows Update. I had to put my hand over it just to cover my personal information. I don't know why Windows do this crap. Okay, there's a security. That's fine. That should install like real quick. Okay, that's done. Let's exit out of that. There we go. Let's see. I doubt it. Let's check out controllers. Let's see if there's anything set up for general real quick. Legion space. Okay, got that. Let's go towards controllers. Let's see if there's a controller update that we probably got fixed in this. Let's go here, scroll down, check for updates. Okay, that's good. So it looks like everything is up to date. Might have to just do the Microsoft Store for the drivers. So let's see if there's a new update for the drivers, which I hit the wrong thing. So let's hit this right here, and let's see if there's anything for the drivers. Check for updates or anything that might have to update itself. So we're just going to check. I am going to have to go into the BIOS real quick because I need to check something out in the BIOS. Okay, look like that's all good. So let's do a fast reset. So I'm just pop my hand right here. I want to see if it did anything with the colors. So let me just bring up my brightness to about 100%. Okay, that kind of look good. Let's hit this, exit out of here. So I'm noticing that it kind of fixed something with the HDR. So I'm noticing that the HDR colors kind of look a little bit better. 92% looks good. 82%, yeah. Look like they did something with that. The colors kind of look good like that. So let's actually reset everything. I'm going to shut down, power it off, check everything else out like that. I just want to make sure a lot of the stuff is still set to the way how it was that I had it set up. I don't need to have this cord in no more because I normally have this on the dock. So that, power on. There we go. BIOS setup. Okay. Go more. Okay. Let's go to general. Highest. Display. 12. Alright, look like everything is good. Nothing to change on here. Let's just go back. Alright, so that's the BIOS update, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. And that was basically it. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace.